If prospect research takes you 20 minutes, you are going to skip it when you get busy. But if it takes 60 seconds, you can do it before almost every email, call, and follow-up. The old way was opening LinkedIn, the company website, their news page, job posts, and then somehow still having no email written. AI changes that because it turns scattered information into usable sales context fast. The goal is not to become a private investigator. The goal is to find one relevant reason your message should matter right now. Step 1. Gather 3 inputs: the prospect's role, the company context, and one possible trigger. A trigger could be hiring, expansion, new leadership, a product launch, funding, or a recent post from the prospect. Then paste that information into ChatGPT and use this prompt. That last line matters. Do not make up facts. AI can be useful, but it can also sound confident when it is wrong. Step 2. Turn research into a sales angle. Most reps waste research by using trivia instead of business relevance. If the company is hiring SDRs, the angle might be ramp time. If they expanded into a new region, the angle might be pipeline coverage. Use this prompt. Give me 5 business-relevant outreach angles. Each angle should connect a visible trigger to a likely sales problem. Step 3. Use the best angle to draft a short message. Ask ChatGPT to write a short cold email under 100 words, with a specific first line, a business problem, and a simple question. Before sending, ask yourself, would I say this out loud? Is the personalization relevant? And is the problem connected to their role? Step 5. Build a repeatable research template so you do not start from scratch every time. The 60-second version is simple. Grab the role, company, and trigger. Ask AI for angles. Turn the best angle into a message. Then do the human check. If you want the exact prompts for prospect research, follow-up, cold email, objections, and more, grab my free guide. 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.